What is the stock market? A quick look into what it can mean for you. Hello and welcome to our very first episode here on BSE's Investor Education Awareness Series. I'm Siddharth Zarabi, and with me, come embark on an exciting journey to know more about the stock market. What comes to your mind when you think of the stock market? Simply put, it is a place or a platform where you can buy or sell shares of a company. When you buy shares of a company on the stock market, you become a part owner of that company. For example, imagine a new soft drink company which is launching a range of fruit beverages. The very first step the company takes is to advertise to large investors. It makes that approach. And if they think that the company is a good bet and a good idea, they get the first crack at investing. These investors then sponsor the company's initial public offering, also known as an IPO. Now, when the company comes into the public market or the stock market through that IPO that we just spoke about, and if you believe this company will become profitable in the future, you go ahead and buy the shares of that company. Once you do that, you also become a part owner of that soft drink business. But did you know the stock market is not something that's new? It's not a new phenomenon. Back in 1611, the Dutch East India Company became the first company to be listed on an official stock exchange. Since then, companies have looked to people regularly and many times to support their business. Now let's cut to today. Today, the stock markets are a very vast and efficient system for millions of investors all over the world to buy, trade, and grow their wealth. With this, we end today's episode. And as I leave you with a word of expert advice on how to grow your wealth from a very well-known wealth and financial specialist. Take a look in.
So first of all, Siddharth, I'd like to kind of congratulate the BSE for such a wonderful initiative, because I think for average investors, new investors, the stock market can be quite daunting still. We use lots of terminology which is difficult for, I think, for a normal person just entering the markets to understand, and therefore it's daunting and maybe feel always a bit more speculative than it should be. But I think by and large, for most average investors, they see the stock market as a way of accumulating wealth, for the future, whether that might be for education, for children, buying a house, whatever it might be. They see it as a long-term investment vehicle. But as I said, it can seem a little bit daunting at the beginning.